Children, today I will discuss about the two major postural deformity of the chapter Children and Women in Sports. The topic is the causes, precaution and corrective measures of knock knees and bow legs. Today topic is causes, precautions and corrective measures of knock knees and bow legs. So first of all, I am going to start with the first postural deformity, knock knees. Children, what is knock knees? Here two images of the knock knees. In image 1 and image 2. But after the definition of the knock knees, I will explain with the help of these images. So knock knees is one of the major postural deformity. Knock knees is one of the major postural deformity. In this postural deformity, the legs are bent inward and knees strike each other while standing, walking, and running. What is the knock knee? The knock knees postural deformity, the legs bent inward side, the legs bent inward side and strike each other when we stand, walk or run. the gap between ankles goes to increasing because of the knees touches or overlap each other in normal standing position. Okay, the gap between the ankle goes to increasing because of the knees touches or overlap each other in the normal standing position. See the image. When we stand, see in the first image, here you can see the gap between the knees, the gap between knees is 0 and the gap between the both ankle increases. So when we stand, the both knees strike each other. See the image 2. First I will discuss about the first correct portion. In this position you can see in a normal correct standing position, but in this image you can see this person both knees are strike here without any pressure. You can see in the touch. So those person affected these postural deformities face difficulties so the affected person faces difficulty in walking and running. He cannot walk or run properly due to naak knee. Okay, so those people are suffering from the naak knee. They feel the difficulty at the time of walking and running. Owing to this deformity, people cannot be a good player. And may not be selected in defense services. So this is a demerit for the player, and also those children love to go in or join the defense services will not get chances due to the knock knee. Okay, children, what are the causes of the knock knees? Children, there are various causes. The main cause of the knock knee are deficiency of vitamin D. So children, vitamin D is very important for everyone to remain fit. Calcium is also necessary for us to avoid knock knee. Also phosphorus is most important to avoid knock knee. And you know better a disease due to the rickets, we can suffer from the knock knee. Children, the another cause of the knock knee, the obesity during childhood. Weak legs, carrying heavy weights in early age is the another cause of the knock knee. Children, in the some condition, the chronic illness is the also a cause of knock knee. So children, take proper nutritious foods to avoid knock knee. So your diet should be fulfill with the vitamin D, calcium, phosphorus, and we can suffer from the knock knee due to rickets, obesity during childhood, weak legs, and children avoid to carrying heavy weight in the early age. In the some condition, we can suffer from the knock knees due to the chronic illness. The some precautions. What are the precautions to avoid knock knee? Children, important thing is balanced diet is very important for us, and it should be taken. And please, in your family or when you see in your neighbors, babies should not be forced or encouraged to walk or at early age. When they become strong, automatically they will start to walk. So children, please don't force or encourage to the children for the walk in the early age. How you can correct it? It is some expensive but very interesting. Horse riding is best activities to correct knock knee. Cod liver oil. Cod is a type of fish. So cod liver oil may be beneficial in reducing this deformity. And children, keep the pillow between knees and stand erect for some time. You can remove or correct it, but it should be regularly. Okay, regularity is very important. Some yogic activities like Padmasana, Vrikshasana, Akarn, Dhanurasana are more beneficial to correct it. And children, those people are suffering from the knock knee, advise them walk over the outer edge of the foot, while the inner part of sole is raised up. These are the good activities to correct the knock knee. Horse riding, card liver oil, put a pillow between both knees at the time of standing, but it should be regularly. Perform Padmasan, Vrikshasan and Akarna Dhanurasana and walk over the outer edge of the foot while the inner part of the sole is raised up. Okay. The next postural deformity is the bow legs. You can see here the image 1 and I will divide here 2 and 3. I will take help these images after the definition of the bow legs. Children, bow legs is also a postural deformity. It is opposite to knock knees. Position. Okay, please see here. In the bow legs, you can see in here increasing the gap near this position. This is the second image is the correct position of the legs, but also you can see in the image third here increasing the gap between, and this deformity is the opposite of the knock knee. In this postural deformity, in this postural deformity, the legs bent inward, no, outward, and there is a wide gap between the knees when standing with feet together. Children, the space between widens up and legs take curve shape. Bow legs cause lot of pressure over the lateral edges of feet. Okay, when standing with the feet together, the space between knees widens. Children, look the image. When we stand with the both feet, okay, increase the gap. Here you can see the gap. Here gap is increasing. Okay, you can see the knee, near the knee region, increasing the gap and knees bent outward. Also you can see in the image third. Here increase the gap when we stand erect. What are the causes? Children, what are the causes of bow legs? So the main cause of the bow leg deformities due to deficiency of vitamin D. Also calcium and phosphorus is the another cause. So it should be appropriate amount according to the needs of the body. The another cause of the bow legs, the same like the knock knee, don't force babies to walk at a early age. The another cause of the bow leg is obesity during childhood. The another cause of the bow legs is defaulted footwear. So children, it should be fit according to the size of your feet. At the time of purchasing the shoes, it should be according to your size. These are the causes of the bow legs. Children, what are the precautions? Some precautions when we follow, really we can minimize or avoid bow legs. First precaution is don't let the children be overweight. So when you will see properly, so in the age of the infant especially, please be alert to increase the weight of child. The another important precaution is don't force or encourage babies to walk at early age, and the diet should be given. The children eat should be balanced, full nutritive. Balanced diet is very important for the all type of the childrens, and you can control it. Okay, the precaution is don't let the children be overweight, don't force or encourage babies to walk at the early age, and provide a balanced diet. Really you can control it, or you can manage and correct it, the problem of the bow legs. Okay, so children, what are the corrective measures? There are various corrective measures, and important corrective measure is vitamin D. Vitamin D should be taken in required amount according to the requirement, and take suggestion to the expert doctor. Balanced diet. Is very important for everyone to avoid such type of the problems. And children, bow legs can be corrected by walking on the inner edge of the feet. Children, when you will start walk, I am not telling for you, but those children are suffering from the bow legs, when they will start the inner edge of the feet walking, really in the some condition they may be reformed. Some yogic activities are more useful to remove it. children, guess. Which yogic activities are useful? Like Ardha Chakrasana is the more beneficial to remove her correct bow legs. Garud Asana is also useful to correct it. Children, those people are suffering from such type of the postural deformity, please advise them to perform Ardha Chakrasana, Garud Asana, and also Ardha Matsyendrasana. These three yogic activities are more beneficial for the affected bow legs. So my children, these advice are very important and more beneficial those are suffering from the bow legs. So that's all. Thank you so much.